Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to Connect Show Technical Insight. I am Rahul Randeria and I would be conducting today's show. Last week, we have discussed that Nifty initially might rally and then we might see selling pressure coming in at the higher levels. But frankly speaking, we were not expecting a sharp rally. And the sharp rally was just backed by, the sharp short covering and what we have analyzed in the option analysis that there was strong writing in the out of the money calls, and because of that, we have seen a sharp short covering, and Nifty just tested the highs of 15,044, and from there we have seen the sharp selling pressure in the last two trading sessions. Now on Thursday, after the what we have seen that the completion of the elections, uh, on the back of the exit poll, we have seen that there was a sharp sell-off seen on the Friday, looking at the exit polls. And again, if you look at on the Nifty daily charts, Nifty has given a breakout from the falling channel what we have been discussing in the last couple of months, but it has failed to see a breakout and sustain above those levels and gave up those gains. So looking at the current setup, we feel that still the strategy would be sell on rise at the higher levels. Now for the next week, the important trigger point would be the election result. On Monday, the second of May, we will see the election result of the 5 states, and market are expected to be highly volatile at least for Monday and Tuesday. But looking at the setup, I feel that again we might see a sharp rally, and then we might see selling pressure at the higher levels, because you know the election result might be factoring into the last couple of days of Nifty movement. One most important thing which I would like to mention is that India VIX. India VIX has been consolidating, and it is just trading near 23 and 23 and a half. But looking at the setup, I feel in the short to medium term, I mean to say in the next 1 or 2 months, India VIX is poised for an upside rally towards the level of 35. So a 10-point rally from 23 to 35, maybe 10 to 12 points, might put Nifty and Bank Nifty under pressure from the higher levels. So one need to be cautious. Definitely Monday is going to be highly volatile because of the election result of the 5 state, and after that we might see again market coming into or market trading into a particular primary trend. So definitely Monday is going to be highly volatile. Any sharp pullback should be used to book profit at the higher levels, and then if there is a lack of follow-up buying, then one can go short at the higher levels. Now let us discuss the index analysis. On the Nifty daily charts, what we have been analyzing and what we have been discussing the last couple of weeks or months, the Nifty has been moving into a falling channel. You will see on the screen. I'm going to see on the chart that particular Nifty. Yes, you can see on the charts that for a fraction of time, Nifty witnessed a breakout from the falling channel, but it failed to do so. And again, on that particular day, it ended below the resistance line. And on the next day, I mean to say on the Friday, we have seen a sharp sell-off. So again, this upward resistance line is acting as a stiff resistance, and that would act as a stiff resistance for the coming days also. So definitely, as I said, election results on Monday is going to be highly crucial for the markets, and again it is going to be a highly volatile session. Any sharp pullback might be used to book profit at the higher levels. Those high risk traders, those who have taken a long position in Nifty, and then if there is a lack of follow-up buying after the results, then one can go short. That we will see in the next week how it is panning out, or I will just update into my through my Twitter handle during the market hours. Now let us discuss the important support and resistance in the Nifty for the next week. The important support for the next week is placed at 14,526. The second support below that is 14,273, and the final support for the week is coming at 14,151. This is the swing low which we have seen in the last 2 weeks. So again, if there is a sharp sell-off from the higher levels, then Nifty might again retest the swing lows. But these are the support which the traders need to be watching out for the next week. Now the important resistance for the next week are placed at 14,813 Above that, the next important resistance is at 15,044, which is the swing high on Thursday's swing high. And then the final resistance would be 15,174 for the next week. So these are the important support and resistance levels where traders need to watch out for because of the major event of the 5 states election result, and one should trade accordingly. Now let us discuss the Bank Nifty. Again, Bank Nifty also, we have been discussing that Bank Nifty has been moving into a falling channel. Similarly, Bank Nifty has also witnessed a breakout last week, but again failed to do so, failed to sustain above those levels. You will see on the screen of the Bank Nifty charts on the daily charts. It rallied sharply, it witnessed a breakout and again came back or drifted below the resistance line. You will see on the screen of the Bank Nifty. So again, the important levels for the Bank Nifty for the next week would be highly crucial because of the volatile behavior of the market, which is expected to be in the next week. Now on the Nifty Bank Nifty daily charts, as we have been discussing, that any rally towards the resistance line will face selling pressure at the higher levels. So again, that would act as a major resistance area for the next week also. Now let us discuss the important support and resistance for the Bank Nifty for the next week. The important support for the Bank Nifty for the next week is placed at 32,144. Then next support is placed at 31,834. And the final support is at 30,555. Whereas on the upside, the major resistance are placed at 33,455. Then second resistance is placed at 34,287, and the final resistance is at 34,658. So these are probably the broad range for the Bank Nifty for the next week. The traders need to watch out for these important levels and then trade according to the direction of the markets. Now let us come into the third segment of the today's show, which is option analysis. In option analysis, what we have seen, what we have analyzed, that the strong open interest where we have seen, the strong open interest was built in the Nifty out of the money calls, were seen at, you will see on the screen now, were seen at 14,700 calls, then 14,800 calls, and 15,000 calls. You can clearly see that these are the strike out of the money strike price where the strong writing has been seen. There has been a sharp drop in the percentage change, which again clearly indicates that because of the last 2 days of the correction in the markets, I mean to say Thursday, which was the expiry day, and Friday was the weekend, we have seen a sharp writing of the out of the money calls for the 6th May expiry series. So definitely 15,000 would act as a major resistance for the next week. Now Nifty calls, I mean to say after the money calls, the strong open interest was, I mean to say Nifty puts, the strong open interest was seen in 14,500 put, 14,400 put, and 14,200 put. You can clearly see. And again, as I said, that looking at the chart patterns and looking at the selling pressure of the last 2 days, we have been seeing that the buying has been seen into this particular out of the money calls. You can clearly see the percentage changes. There has been a buying seen, the rise in the open interest, which clearly indicates that Nifty might, if there is again selling pressure at the higher levels, then Nifty might drift down to the levels of 14,200 for the next week. So definitely the range for the next week, because of the election event, then the setup of the VIX, the broad range of the Nifty is at 14,200 on the downside and 15,000 on the high side. Now let us discuss the option analysis of Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, the strong open interest was seen in the out of the money calls, where 33,000 you can clearly see on the screen, then 33,500 calls and 34,000 calls. Now in this particular out of the money calls, you can clearly see there has been massive drop in the percentage changes, which clearly indicates that a strong writing was seen in this out of the money calls. So again, at the higher levels, 34,000 could act as a major resistance area for the next week, and one need to be cautious of any sort of pullback or sharp pullback from the current levels. I feel one should avoid at the higher levels. One should avoid going long at the higher levels, looking at this current setup. Now, when Bank Nifty puts, in out of the money puts, strong open interest was seen in 32,000 puts, then 31,500 puts, then 31,000 puts. Now again, you can clearly see on the screen that strong open interest was building up in this out of the money calls. Percentage change, the sharp rise in the percentage change, which clearly indicates that market looking at only this data, I feel that market might face stiff resistance at the higher levels and drift down from any pullback we might see on Monday. So definitely on the downside, the crucial support in the Bank Nifty would be 31,000. So again, 34,000 on the higher side and 31,000 on the downside would be the broad range for the Bank Nifty on the back of the important event of the election result and the setup of the India weeks. Now let us discuss the final segment of the show, which is positional call. I've identified one stock, mid-cap stock, where the setup is very strong. The name of the stock is Greaves Cotton. You will see on the screen that on the daily charts, the stock has formed a pennant breakout. You can clearly see a triangle, then a breakout, rising volumes. RSI, I mean to say the lead indicators are also showing the strength from these levels. So definitely, swing traders or positional investors or traders can accumulate the stock from the current market price, which is 145, and on corrections to 130. My upside positional target is around 180 from the current levels. So the stock is looking promising for short to medium term or even long term investment perspective. So swing traders and positional traders can accumulate the stock. I mean to say Greaves Cotton from the current levels, which is 145, and till the correction of 130 for a positional target of 180 for short to medium term and even long term. So thank you very much for watching the show. Let us conclude the show for the day. Any comments you can give into the comment box. And for live update in the calls in Nifty, Bank Nifty and individual stocks, you can connect me to my Twitter handle, which is @Rahul Randeria. Again, I would like to thank you for watching the show and have a nice trading week. Thank you very much.